ऑर्डर किया, इतने सारे पैसा खर्च हुए, तब मेरे को लगा कितना सारा सामान है, बट अभी लग रहा है उतने ज़्यादा सामान ही नहीं है। Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Love Yourself. I hope you all are doing well, and you, yes, if you're watching this face for the very first time, please take a moment and consider subscribing to my channel. It's free of course, and also don't forget to hit the bell button which is just beside the subscribe button. So yes, today I'm here to share with you guys my Nykaa Hot Pink sale haul. This video is little bit late, but you know what, मेरे 5 सामान जो है वो थोड़ा लेट डिलीवर हुई एज कम्पेयर टू अदर, so that is the reason I'm today filming this video. So if you like what you see so far and want to know what are the things I got in this sale, then please keep on watching. Let's start this video with skincare. I have bought 2 this time, and these 2 things are very expensive, and I really wanted to try them because I have heard so much about them. So the first thing is this Dot and Key vitamin C concentrate. So yes, from last few months I was continuously hearing a lot of stuffs about Dot and Key, that it's a new brand in the beauty industry. So if you open this thing, this is how the inside packaging looks like. I think it's very adorable, and if you take it out, this is the inner packaging. I'm gonna try it, like after doing all my research and everything, like how to use it, when to use it and all that stuff, and after that I'm gonna surely do a in-depth review about this product. So yes, this is the first product. The second product that I bought, that is a luxury product that I got from the Lux store of Nykaa, which is like, इतना मैंने उसके बारे में सुना, इतना हाइप सुना है मैंने उसके बारे में, वो है दिस. Yes, I have this. So this is Laneige lip sleeping mask in the flavor berry. जब मैंने इसका ऑर्डर दिया, I was so happy and I was just waiting for this product. And you know, जिस दिन मैंने इसका ऑर्डर दिया उसके अगले दिन या फिर उसके अगले दिन, 2 दिन में मेरे पास ये सामान आ गया, and I was so happy with this. So if you open this packaging, this is how the inner packaging looks like. This is how it looks like. I won't say anything about this product because I'm gonna do a separate review about this product, but to give you one hint, it smells amazing. It smells so delicious कि मेरे को लगता है मैं खा लूँ इसको. Now let's go to that products for me which are restocked. So I was just restocking them. First, this Lotus Professional sunscreen. Oh my god, I have made an in-depth review about this product, and which is the most viewed video in my channel, so I will link it in the I button. Please go ahead and check that video because that is very informative video. The next product is again a restock stuff which I have already ended, and I need to restock this, which is Maybelline Color Show nail remover. I like this stuff. The next products that I got are lipsticks. Okay, so if you know me personally, you know that my love for lipsticks, and if you don't also know me personally, I am a lipstick junkie person. Like कभी भी आप मेरे को घर से बाहर मिल रहे हो तो आप मेरे को हमेशा लिपस्टिक में पाओगे, कुछ होगा. आई जस्ट लव tinted lips. Okay, so yes, that is the reason I got crazy this time also, and I bought 5 good lipsticks. The first lipstick is this Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick, formulated in Italy. It's in the shade is Cher, CHER. I don't know I'm pronouncing it right or not, but if you open this product, this is how it looks like from inside, how the product looks like, and this is the color. I'm not gonna swatch the colors right now because I don't want to. If you wanna know how this shade is looking in my face or my skin color, you can follow me over my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. If you want direct links, it would be mentioned in the bottom part. Go and follow me over there. I will maybe put a photo with this lipstick shade or maybe a video where I am applying. So just go and follow me over there. This is a magnetic, you know, closure, but इसका magnet थोड़ा ढीला है. The next product, the next lipstick that I got is also from Nykaa. It's their Nykaa Matte Molten Matte Lip and Cheek Color. मुझे Nykaa से इस बार थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है. You know why? सब अब देखो इसका कैसा हैम्पर टाइप का कैसा है इसका पैकेजिंग. इसका ऐसा था, फिर का Laneige का Laneige का पैकेजिंग भी मतलब ऐसा होता है ना, न्यू ब्रांड न्यू आया है उसका ऐसा बहुत अच्छा पैकेजिंग होता है, बट इसका थोड़ा हैम्पर्ड, प्रोडक्ट अंदर से ठीक था बट पैकेजिंग वॉज थोड़ा सा अजीब सा. सो आई बॉट इट इन द शेड Charlotte 12 and this is how the color looks like. I just love the wand. I haven't tried this product yet, but again if you wanna see how it looks on me, then go and follow me in my Instagram. You will get the direct link in the description box. So this is the next product. The next product is again from Nykaa. So this is their Pout Perfect lipstick. It's in the shade Kin to My Barbie. I have used this shade, but I think it's little bit washing out my complexion. This is the shade. Again, I would swatching it or posting a photo on my Instagram, so go and follow me over there. The last pair of product which I got in lipstick is from L'Oreal Paris, and this is what I bought. This is their Rouge Signature. So I got a set of 2 for 849, which I think is really good, really good. So this is their outer packaging. I just love their packaging. They look so luxurious and मेरे को इतना पसंद है इसका packaging. I am just love with. So if you open this packaging, this is the first color which is in my lips right now. The formulation is very good. I'm gonna do an in-depth review again, so stay tuned for that. So this is in the shade I Am Worth It. Oh my god, I just love the name and love the shade. The next shade which I bought is again the same packaging. It's in the shade I Choose. Oh my god, these shade names are like killing. This is how the shade looks like. So the lipstick part is done. The next product that I bought is again from Nykaa. I'm buying so many products from Nykaa. It's their Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. Wanted to try because I have heard a lot of good things about this product. Next product that I got is from K Beauty. Yes, I got their kajal. It's in the shade I don't know its shade name. Is in black in color, and इसके बाहर ऐसा कुछ पैकेजिंग था जो निकालना पड़ा मुझे. आई एम वेयरिंग दिस काजल राइट नाउ. गोना डू अ इन डेप्थ रिव्यू अबाउट दैट, so stay tuned for that. Next product that I got is also from K Beauty. This is this K Beauty loose setting powder, and I got it in the shade Vanilla. I was very skeptical about this product. You got, oh my god, in one word, in one sentence, I just wanted to tell you that I love this product. And again, gonna tell you guys what I feel about it, but I just loved this product. So the next product that I got is from the house of Maybelline. I got this Fit Me foundation. It's in the shade 228 soft tan. It's darker for my skin, but I wanted to have a little bit darker like foundation because I have one lighter one, so I just want to mix them and wanted to make it of my own skin color. I like this pump applicator, you know. So the next product is also from the house of Maybelline, which is this Master Chrome highlighter. Oh my god, मैंने इतना सुना था इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में. मेरे को लग रहा था कि मेरा तो मेकअप कंप्लीट ही नहीं हो रहा है इसके बगैर. ओके, सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न आई गो हैड एंड बॉट इट. एंड बहुत दिन से नो मैं खरीदने वाली थी इसको, बट आई वॉज जस्ट डिलेइंग इट कि मत खरीदो, बाद में खरीदना, ये करना वो करना. फाइनली आई गॉट इट. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द हाउस ऑफ Maybelline. दिस इज देयर Fit Me concealer. It's in the shade 25 medium. The next product that I got is also from Maybelline, the house of Maybelline, which is their Maybelline Fit Me blush. It's in the shade 25. The last product in this haul is this Nykaa hand cream. Okay, giving you guys little bit of hint about this product. I didn't like it at all. मेरे को नहीं पसंद आया. इसका जो स्मेल है एज अ हैंड क्रीम कैसा है मेरे को नहीं पता, बट इसका जो स्मेल है, मैं अभी लगा रही हूँ. आई डोंट यूज़ इट अ लॉट बिकॉज आई डोंट लाइक इट्स, बाप रे, आई डोंट लाइक इट्स क्या बोलते उसको, क्या बोलूँ, fragrance. It's so overpowering. I got it in vanilla and cinnamon flavor. I hope you guys can see. I don't know why it's so overpowering. But yes, this was for my haul this time. I hope the products that I've got, you like it and you wanted to see in-depth review. So please stay tuned in my channel. I'm surely gonna bring a lot new content for you guys, and sure you guys will like my content. So yes, this is for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it's free, and also don't forget to share it with your friends, family and everywhere. Also tell me in the comment section इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के बीच में कौन सा आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है और किसके बारे में आपको मेरे से रिव्यू जल्दी से जल्द जानना है. ओके, and yes, I'm gonna announce a giveaway once I hit 500 subscribers. So please जल्दी से 500 subscribers कर दो. And Instagram में after reaching 1000 followers, I'm gonna also announce a giveaway over there. So just go and follow me over there because giveaways are coming soon. So yes, meet you guys next time. Till then, you all take care, stay beautiful, stay home, and keep loving yourself because that's the most beautiful thing that you can do to yourself. Bye.